There's one up that way, and then there's one back this way.
Sup, Nate?
They're both in Howell. This is the one we went to last time.
Nate. Date.
Well,
Eight.
it probably goes to the same